I am noticing something a little different about the last two. So let's start here. On this one, before we get into factoring out with our box, I notice that this number, and this number all have something in common. That is called GCF. On this one, 3 will go into all of these numbers. You could divide a 3 out. So your factors are going to start with that 3. And you can pull those out right now before you do your box. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And negative 18 divided by 3 is negative 6. When they're smaller numbers, if you can get them smaller, they're easier to do your box method with, or reverse box method, that is. So first term in the first box, last term in the last box. Now we're going to go A times C. Make your factor tree. So I'm going to do this without the calculator. I can do 1 times negative 6, 2 times negative 3, or negative 1 times 6, negative 2 times 3. And I'm looking for two numbers that add up to 1, a positive 1. So right here, my negative 2 and positive 3. And now I can get my factors. So on this row, what goes into 1 and 3? 1. And then what goes into x squared and x? X. Now let's go up to our top part right here. So 1 times what is 1? 1. X times what is x squared? X. Now look at your column. What goes into, what do you multiply 1 by to get negative 2? Negative 2. And then you have an x here, so you don't need an x there because there's only 1 right here. Now let's divide. Negative 6 divided by negative 2, positive 3. And you can double check that last box. Does 3 times 1x equal 3x? Yes. So our next factors are x plus 3 and x minus 2. So here I've got 3 factors. 3, x plus 3, and x minus 2.